It's March 30th. Just snuck in the blind. Rain's lighting up a little bit. We got 3 guys in the blind, so it's a little tight. But got a extra jig decoy right in front of us. Gonna try to knock one down with the bow, so should be hearing some gobbles here pretty soon. So just waiting for the first one of the year. Gauge tagged him. Yeah, we got a long break back. He's trailing him. He's trailing him. Dude, it's a rope. Hey, we got one right up in front, right up in front. This one that's closest to us to the left. Long beard.
Make sure you communicate with me.
You see the long beard that's closest to us?
Yeah, that's an ant. That's a bearded ant.
Bearded hand.
That's a big beard. Get footage of her.
Got this long beard right here.
I see.
Well, as you can hear, I finally get the full draw after he's committing away from the decoys, which is really unfortunate. I wanted to do it sooner, but he just seems like he would have spooked if I would have done it any time earlier than that. So as he worked away, he just kept his back end towards me the whole time. So I was at full draw for about a minute. And finally, he turned broadside and I was able to take the shot. I know what you're thinking. How did you miss that shot? I was at full draw for a little bit over a minute, and he kind of turned a little bit when I shot, but excuses aside, I shouldn't have missed it. So to look on the bright side, I got a shotgun to my left, and I got a field full of turkeys still, so I'm going to go ahead and try to capitalize on what is going not so well right now.
Which one is he? There's 2 long beards on the left. There's 2 long beards. Good, yeah, good. Which one are you taking? Did I hit him good? I think you missed. I think I did too. One in the middle. Which one are you shooting?
After a little bit of miscommunication, we finally figure out what bird I'm going to go ahead and take with the shotgun. So I get my gun up out the window and let him know which one, and I kind of just hope that he's on it because he's really moving away pretty fast.
Right.
Did you switch? Did you flinch?
Got him. There's still a long beard out there. Open day youth seasons. We had some birds roost right behind us, and they just wouldn't come in. So we just kind of waited it out. We knew that these birds were naturally just going to feed in here. So we just had a giant group of birds come in, and I drew back. I wish I could have been full draw when he was just dropped, but I knew I was spooked him. So I had to wait until he turned his head, and then when he turned his head, he didn't care about the decoy anymore. I wish we would have had a hen out there, and he maybe would have been a little bit more territorial. But I was at full draw forever, and I was starting to get a little bit fatigued. And then I shot, and I think I grazed that bird. So I just picked up the shotgun, and I put down the one that I had a shot at. I think the other one's gonna be fine. It really sucks I wasn't able to get him with a bow, but I guess it is what it is. So really happy with how it turned out. Hopefully we can get the rest of the group some birds now. So.
That's what we like to see right there. That is a rope. Here, I'll show you the spurs. Oh my gosh. This is the biggest spur turkey I've ever killed in my life. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Dude, those might be 2 inches. Guess it paid off to miss that one. Let's go.
It's March 30th, opening day of Illinois youth season. Got in here this morning a little bit skeptical. Started to rain a little bit, but it started to lighten up, so we knew we were going to be in the game. Had some birds instantly come behind us in the blind, but they just didn't like something and wouldn't come in. We'd had this Avian X half strut decoy on us, and then we actually ended up having some jakes come in, fiddle around, so that was pretty cool. And then they went away. We waited it out, and then boom, a giant flock of turkeys that we've been scouting on camera came right in. We had this dominant tom come in strutting. I drew back, and he just didn't present me with the correct shot that I wanted to take. I wanted to be lethal, and I shot. He turned a little bit, and it looked like it was a clean miss. I got a feather that we saw, and I think we're gonna be fine. So that made me feel a bit better about that. And then after I missed him, I just grabbed the shotgun and took the shot at this one. And he's an absolute unit. He's got a really long beard. He's got actually a double beard. It's about like maybe an inch or 2, and then he's got some hooks that I've never seen on a turkey before. So this is definitely my biggest hook turkey. So an amazing morning, one to remember, and hopefully it's time to get Michael on the board.